Hey guys, this is Ken from Ken's Collection Toy. This my top 10 toy cars collection. So here I got the two blues. See, I got this one right here. And let's get started. Start the first one, top one. He has a hyper truck, Hot Wheels right here. Yes, he has a in front lights, and then on the back there is no tail lights. Right here, there's a looking color yellow, blue, and gray. On the bottom, it has a gray. So very good, nice right here. Let's go moving on to top two. This top two has a Fastlane green car. It says on the side it has the blue flame right here on the side right here, the blue flame. And see, there's a look at the date. The date has a Fastlane made in China 2013. Very good, nice the looking color. See, this pushes on the wheels right here. Very good, nice, very cool. Let's go moving on to top three. Top three, he has the ambulance Fastlane. There's a white right here. Yes, on the side it has an EM of emergency. Is there also another side right here? There's a blue, I see this back of doors, two doors right here. Yes, another date 2013. Very cool. There's on the side the logo, Fastlane logo, and on the side there's a Fastlane logo, another one. See, this slow right here. It's very slow because broken axle. This top four, you have this custom for Bronco Hot Wheels. Yes, it has a blue, gray, black, and silver. Very cool, silver one. Yes, it has on the back. There is no doors down here and folders. It's from 2007 to 2015. Cool looking color. You see right here, there's a Ford logo, and on the other side, there's a Ford logo. Pretty cool looking color. It has a bigger wheels right here, 2 or 4. Right here. Let's go moving on to top 5. This top 5 has a 2 Hot Wheels zoom in. Yes, looking her what color this one. I will go first one, black one. This black one has a looking color is the GoPro logo and Hot Wheels logo. It says gray right here. It's open it put the camera GoPro Station 5. This is right here the looking color. As a bottom, it has a blue one. Looking blue from look, date 2017 Mattel. And also has another one. There's a red one. This red one is a looking color the red. On the bottom has a white right here. Another 2007 Mattel is a blue right here. Right here, that. Okay, this looking color. Moving on to top 6. Top 6. This has a RealToy. This RealToy right here. RealToy made in China. Ford Focus ST. Look at it has a focus on the front and a focus on the back. It's on the side. There's also broken painting. Good looking color. Right here. This very cool color camera. No, this looking white and blue. Let's see right here. I got this black one on the bottom. So moving on to top 7. This top 7, he has a Matchbox Audi. The date 2006 2007 Mattel. 17 Mattel. It's called as Audi RS6 Event. It's a very looking color, blue one. Yes, blue one. Very cool looking color. Is that on the bottom is the black one. On the back right here is, I don't know, it says INRS6. Look, call this Audi. Moving on to, what is it, top 8? Yeah, correct, it's top 8. Top 8, you have this red Porsche 911. And on the body, another black one. Yes, it's on the front, there's a Porsche. It's like, look, it looks like mustache. And we have the front lights. It's a tail lights right here. It's pretty cool looking girl. Red one. There's a Porsche 911. Very cool. This looks like a bag of wing. Look the color this one. Like, moving on to top 9. top 9, he has his as a Hot Wheels XRacers. XRacers as a look call this as a Pedal di Mento TM. Looking at this as a look color has a green, orange, and gold and brown mental. You see the gold one is on the wheels. Looks like tins. Oh, looks like Oreo tins. Look how this X-Racers are this other one. See, I don't see that the logo. How is logo? So we're almost there. And last up is have a top 10. His final top 10. You have this Corvette 69 Corvette Racer from 2016 Mattel. Looking color, I found lost. And see they have a 13. Yeah, they have another one. This has 13 right here on the side. You see that seat right here, the chair, blue one. This you have a steering wheels. On the back has a tail light right here. And it's pretty cool looking color. You see that on the wheels right here. Yes, it looks like sound rusty. So that was the end. So that's the top 10 toy cars. Hope you enjoyed too. Please thumbs up, no comments down below. So see you next time in another video, and bye.